What's up, guys? We're at the bus tour with the Madison County RIA. It's one of my favorite events of the year. You can sit in a classroom all day and learn about running numbers and all kind of things and rehabbing, but when you actually come out here and walk these properties, you get to see everything and point things out and get hands-on training in the field with this.
Bus tour definitely changes the perspective of how to learn, right? So you go out on the street and actually step into houses with some experts and people that's had a lot of experience in actually flipping houses or even rehabbing them and kind of getting ideas you don't really think about. Totally different perspective than doing it single or on your own or whatever and not really having a group. So the group aspect really helps a lot, not only with Zach, but also the other people in the group who have different experiences in different areas. Definitely recommend. Probably do another one.
The strategy stuff is really important that we learn at the meetings and stuff, but the hands-on stuff out here is also very important. So, you know, if you don't have this, it's hard to really put deals together. It puts it all together for you.
What intrigued me about the bus tour is hands-on, because I learned by example. And that's the way that I felt that this was going to help me best, to not only hear the theory and watch the videos that we get in our training, but to actually put it into practice. And not only the classroom, but actually going out, seeing a property, understanding what you would run into, how to evaluate different aspects of a rehab or a rental or whatever you're going to do. It's just helped me reinforce all the training that I've heard about and that I've watched, actually getting my hands on it, getting in this classroom and understanding what to do.
This bus tour I've been waiting to do for 2 years. Finally came around and I'm really glad. I've already done some flips and got some rentals, but this really focuses in on some of the details that I didn't have. It's one thing to teach it, learn it in the classroom, another thing to go out and see it. And just really enjoying that part of it. Been a really good experience and looking for more.
Bus tour really helped because then you can take the hands-on paperwork, learning part of it, and actually apply it in the field, in a house, and understand as you're walking through it the kinds of things you should be looking for. So I think it's an excellent approach.
The best part about the bus tour really was going out and seeing what kind of detail you really need to look at a house so that you're not missing things, and maybe like trying to look further and look more detailed, and really take your time to walk around in each corner so you're not missing something that could be major later on.
It's repetition, being able to go through and feel comfortable with the process. So just going through the weekend and basically evaluating properties and seeing what's out there on the market for one, and then seeing all the different steps you're going to have to do that are involved with the actual process is helpful. It's a great example and a representative, real outlook of what you're actually going to be doing.
In all of our time that I've been with Zach, been in his program, the books, the materials, the CDs, all of that, very informational. However, this bus tour, I really believe I got so much meat and so much information that I think I learned more this weekend than I have since November when I started. It was that good.
It was really great going out and seeing firsthand what some of these houses look like and working through the process.
I enjoy his company. I enjoy his training. It gives me a different or a better level of understanding about where he's coming from, why he's doing it. He's truly out here to help us. I mean, although he's in the business too, he's trying to help us to be better at the industry that we're in.
I think Zach has been great because he doesn't only teach you how to do real estate, he's like, teaches you how to open your eyes and how to think about things in a bigger sense, think broader, think about the full big picture. He doesn't teach you just, here's your numbers, is it good, is it bad? He's like, well, think about it from this angle or this angle, or make sure you're doing everything that you can do, and he helps you even personality-wise, or to work with your teammates, or to work with your contractors, or different people on your team from the relationship standpoint, and not just, looking at the numbers and the project.
He makes it exciting. It's not just sitting in a boring lecture and listening to somebody talk about stuff. And I think him having us or interacting with us really helps a lot too. So I think that's one of the biggest reasons why I chose Zach as a mentor as opposed to anybody else.
Zach's style of training is that you can feel how comfortable he is with the process. I think when you get into something, especially when you're trying to take a leap of faith in something, you put a lot of trust in somebody. And so his comfortability with being able to see the steps and really going through it very effortlessly, that's the most comforting part about it is just understanding that you're in good hands.